Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to guide you through the process of setting up Outline VPN on your Android device. Outline VPN is an incredible tool that allows you to create your own private VPN server, ensuring safer and more private internet access. Whether you're new to VPNs or simply looking for a reliable setup, this tutorial will make it simple and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to install the Outline VPN client on your Android device. 1. Open the Google Play Store. 2. In the search bar, type Outline VPN and press Enter. 3. Locate the app in the search results and tap on it to start the installation process. The app will take a few minutes to download and install, depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch the app. When you first open the Outline VPN app, you'll see a clean and straightforward home screen. This is where you'll manage your VPN connections. To begin, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. A new window will open asking for an access key. Don't worry if you don't have an access key yet. I'll show you exactly to get one. Now, leave the Outline VPN app and open any browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the search results, tap on the official UDP Custom website. On the UDP Custom homepage, tap the menu icon. It's usually 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the list of options, select SSH servers and then choose Outline VPN server. Once you're on the Outline VPN server page, scroll down to find the access key. Tap and hold the key to copy it to your clipboard. Now go back to the Outline VPN app. Tap the plus icon again and paste the access key you just copied. Once pasted, tap Save to add the server to your list. With the server added, you're ready to connect. To connect, simply tap the Connect button on the app's home screen. The app will establish a secure connection to the VPN server, ensuring your internet activity is private and secure. To confirm that your VPN is working, go back to the UDP Custom website and tap on the Check My IP menu. You'll notice your IP address has changed, which means your connection is now private. And that's it. You've successfully set up Outline VPN on your Android device. Now you can browse the internet with enhanced privacy and security. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.